is that, Nala? Come here.
What's wrong, boy?
Come here.
What's wrong?
Come
Is
see.
she trying to grab your
puppy
face? Bad monkey. No way.
Oh, what is that, Nala? What is that? Did it scare you? What is that?
I think she likes you, boy.
She's like, let's tangle. I know.
Let's tangle.
What is that, Nala? Talk to him, Nala. Tell him. Tell him. Talk to him, Nala. Say, come here, boy. No. Come on. It's okay. She's like, I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you.
No, he's the predator. No, he's the predator.
He's not a predator in a bad way. He'll be fine.
He's like a T-Rex.
Shh. Good boy.
He's like a
Good boy.
man-eater.
Come on, Nala. Hopefully not.
Oh, maybe there is. Maybe it is. Come on.
She's like, ooh, he's fuzzy and furry. Okay, Nala. He's a lot bigger than you, kid.
This dog. Don't try to grab his neck.
Leo, calm down. Let's be calm.
I don't need to become around a dog.
Sure you do.
No,
That keeps everyone in the room calm when you're calm.
Oh no, I like dog being water.
Where are you going, Nala? Where are you going?
Come on, dog. Win. Dogs rule. Come on.
There she
Dogs.
goes. What's up with that foot? And he's like, wait a minute. Where you going, Nala? She's like, I can run underneath his feet, around his feet, through his legs.
I'm just waiting for her to jump on his back.
Well, I don't want it to be like that. It's too much too soon.
No.
Oh.
It's a battle. Monkey versus dog.
I think she wants to climb up him.
But the dog's not letting her.
Well, no, it's okay. They need to really investigate each other. He's not sure. She's not sure. Where'd she go?
I think you're
There she is.
howl.
She's like, hiya! Careful, Nala. He's a big dog. No.
I'm a big wolf. Oh, I'm a wolf.
Nala, come.
That's it. Hey.
He's like, hi, got you.
Yes.
That's a good boy.